Now, Times Now is leading the coverage when it comes to the investigation in the Saif attack case. There are twists and turns every day. It's been 8 days now, viewers. What do we know so far? One, that last night Saif Ali Khan recorded his statement. Times Now has also accessed a medical report, and you're looking at that record on your screens. Now, as per this record, what we get to know is that this was shared by the hospital. It was given to the Bandra police as part of the entire investigation. This is the admission formality. When you go to a hospital, you have to fill in some documents. This happens to be that document. And if we just go by this record, it goes on to show, one, that Saif Ali Khan was taken to the hospital by one of his friends. This person's name is Afsar Zaidi. Who is Afsar Zaidi? He is Saif Ali Khan's business partner. Now, the attack on Saif took place at around 2:30 a.m. How are we saying this? Because this is as per the House Help statement, on the basis of which an FIR was filed on the 16th. Now, if you just go by this report, in this report, look at the timing very closely. We've highlighted it and it's on your screens there. The timing mentioned is about 4 o'clock. Now, think about it. Sadhguru Sharan Apartments in Bandra and Lilavati Hospital. The distance is just some 2.2 kilometers. If you quickly do a search on your Google Maps, you'll find out that it takes no more than 7 minutes or maximum 10 minutes. And we are talking about the night time or wee hours of the morning when there's no traffic. Even if you are in an auto, let's assume it will take you about 15 minutes to reach there. So if an attack takes place at around 2 in the morning, why is it that the hospital record shows that Saif Ali Khan was brought to the hospital at around 4 a.m.? And this record is also coming to the fore when doctors of Lilavati itself also mentioned that he was brought in between 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. It's just not adding up. Let's go to this record once again. This is the record we've accessed. And now we are going to show you what's written in this. What is written? I report here under a case of patient admitted. Okay, this is Lilavati Hospital Center. This is, what does it say? Name of the patient, Saif Ali Khan. Bed number is mentioned here, age 54. Address, the Sadhguru Sharan apartment address is given. Brought to the hospital by Afsar Zaidi. Till yesterday, what did we know, viewers? Till yesterday, it was told to us that the person who took Saif Ali Khan to the hospital was his son. First, we thought it was Ibrahim. And now, we are getting to know not Ibrahim. Then the doctor said it was Taimur, 8-year-old child. And a person called Afsar Zaidi. Yes, it was also mentioned in the auto driver's testimony. Now, what is the relation mentioned here? Friend. So, friend Afsar Zaidi takes Saif Ali Khan to the hospital. None of this is mentioned by the doctors. What did the doctor say, if you remember, viewers? The doctor said Saif Ali Khan came in walking like a lion. He was blood-soaked. He was holding his 8-year-old child's hand, but nobody mentioned this person when they were initially giving their briefing to the media about the nature of Saif's injuries. Now, the time, this becomes extremely crucial. 4:11 a.m. Now, and here, imagine the time of admission is 4:11 a.m. Then there is also a mention of 2:30 a.m. somewhere here, while at home in Bandra. So imagine Saif Ali Khan is attacked at around 2 or 2:30. If we just go by the statements that we've recorded, and like I told you, Lilavati Hospital to Saif Ali Khan's Bandra residence is no more than 7 to 10 minutes. It's a 2.2 kilometer distance. Even the auto driver spoke about it. What caused this delay? And why is it that initially everyone mentioned that Saif was taken to the hospital between 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock? And that's why it's not adding up. We also exclusively, viewers, spoke to Afsar, the man, the friend, the business partner who took Saif Ali Khan to the hospital that day, whose name is mentioned in the report. And what did he tell us? This is an exclusive conversation. No other channel has this. Take a look.
Am I speaking to Mr. Afsar Zaidi?
Who is this, please?
I'm Rakesh Trivedi from Times Now Bharat.
Sir, you should actually message. I got really worried. You've been calling me incessantly.
No, sir. This is just the first call that I called. I had some queries, sir, regarding the hospital visit. I just want to confirm, is that you who had taken Saif in the auto?
No, sir. It wasn't me.
But you were there in the hospital as per the medical report?
Sir, I'm not in a position to say anything. I respect you calling me, but you respect me saying I don't want to speak.
Okay, but
Thank
sir, is this possible that I can
I
send
do
you
not have any.
an email or message with few questions which
No,
we can
sir.
revert, sir?
No, sir. The family and their team will connect.
बट सर सवाल ये है कि लोग आप वहाँ कैसे पहुंचे, ये सब लोग जानना चाहते हैं सर.
Sir, thank you very much for your concern and everyone asking. I don't have a response, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Rakesh is joining us live, and Arunil is also getting us some exclusive news breaks. Rakesh, you are getting us one exclusive after another. But the spotlight now is on this man called Zaidi. He's Saif Ali Khan's friend. You spoke to him when you asked him that question, did you take Saif Ali Khan to the hospital? He did not reveal anything. In fact, we also heard him say no. What exactly is happening? And if there was a person who took Saif to the hospital, and he's a friend, he's a business partner, why didn't the doctors mention it? Why is this revelation coming to the fore after 8 long days? Did the police record his statement? What do we know?
Yes, exactly. This is why it raises a lot of question and suspicion that the statement from the doctors say a different version, whereas the person, Afzal Zaidi, is claiming to have another version. Let me tell you that he is the owner of Exceed Entertainment, and the office of Exceed Entertainment is just 250 meters away from Saif's residence, Sadhguru Sharan. So whether he was there in the office, whether he is the neighbor of Saif Ali Khan, that is not known yet. That is why we wanted to know whether Saif Ali Khan made a call in a distress to Afzal Zaidi, whether he was called from the office, whether he was there, what was he doing at the spot, whether he was called back at the hospital later, why did the hospital mention his name and contact number. These were all the questions that we wanted to ask him, but he did not take any question. He started dodging the question, but in the very initial conversation, he denied that it wasn't me at the hospital. So at one hand, he says that it wasn't him. On the other hand, the initial medical report clearly states that it was brought by some person who is Afzal Zaidi, his friend. And also, it also corroborates with the auto driver's statement, who in the exclusive conversation with Times Now said that it was some middle-aged person along with
That's why there are so many questions. That's why many are saying there are inconsistencies. It's not adding up. What is so mysterious? Why are there so many unanswered questions? Why are there so many inconsistencies, viewers? And who is this man, Afzal Zaidi, whose name has emerged after 8 long days? We have some details about him. Afzal Zaidi is Saif Ali Khan's business partner, and he's also Hrithik Roshan's business partner. Afzal Zaidi, as per medical records, took Saif to the hospital. Doctors did not mention it. House help did not mention it. Where does he stay? Who called him? How did he come in? Why did no other senior adult family member accompany Saif in the auto? Those questions are also emerging. He's also the co-founder of Saif's brand, which is called House of Pataudi. Then he's the founder of Exceed Entertainment. And then we spoke to him, you heard when he was asked, did you take Saif to the hospital? What does Afzal Zaidi say? He says no initially, and he refuses to divulge any information. He represents Saif Ali Khan and Hrithik Roshan. This is what Afzal Zaidi is. So what we know is he's a friend. He has, business relations with Saif Ali Khan. But the question now emerges, if he took Saif to the hospital, what is so secretive about it? It's already in the records, and it's in a record that is part of the investigation now. Why didn't the doctors mention his name if he was possibly the first respondent, and if the doctors were talking about the nature of injuries and everything else? Why wasn't this man's name taken in all these days? Did the police record his statement? Where does he stay? So many questions coming to the fore at this point of time, and that is why everything seems to be in the realm of mystery. Now he's also connected to multiple business ventures. That's what we know about Afzal Zaidi. And now Arunil is also joining us. Arunil, Arunil will also get us more details, but, these are discrepancies that are becoming even more glaring when you also heard, like we told you earlier, doctors spoke about Saif Ali Khan's recovery. They spoke about how he reached. But there's another question. Where is the CCTV footage of one, Saif leaving the Sadhguru Sharan building, taking the auto, reaching the Leelavati hospital, entering the hospital? Where is that footage when now everything has become a part of the investigation? Because now we are piecing together the timeline. Questions are being asked. Attack takes place at 2 in the morning. Saif is admitted at 4:10 as per medical records. What explains the 2-hour delay? Now, we told you about the friend who, in fact, took him to the hospital. We spoke to him. There are more reactions that are coming in. Listen in to what the doctor had first said.
2 मिलीमीटर से बच गया। जहां तक नाइफ पहुंचा है उससे 2 मिलीमीटर और जाने से स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में इंजरी हो सकता था, विच इज ही इज वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट। इट्स अ वेरी डीप वुंड, बट वो जस्ट स्पाइन कॉर्ड से थोड़ा बच गया, तो उनकी एक अच्छी वो है। और मैंने जैसा आपको बताया बहुत बोल्डली बिहेव किए हैं। वो खुद इतना इंजुरीज के साथ छोटे बच्चे के साथ अपना हॉस्पिटल में खुद वॉक इन आए हैं।
वो ऑटो में आए थे क्या?
वो मतलब हमने तो अंदर उनको वॉक इन आते देखा। ही डिड नॉट इवन टेक द स्ट्रेचर, ही हैज कम वॉक्ड इन द हॉस्पिटल।
Arunil, you're tracking this investigation very closely. Now there are questions being asked. The Afzal Zaidi angle becomes significant now. If there was a friend who came and who got Saif admitted, who filled in all the formalities, has this question been recorded, number one? But before we get to that, please tell our viewers about the details of Saif Ali Khan's statement, because his statement was recorded last night. What did he tell the police?
Well, that is a significant aspect. Basically, late last evening, senior officers from Mumbai Police reached the residence of Saif Ali Khan. Now, recording the statement of the victim in this case was extremely paramount, because Saif Ali Khan had engaged in a one-to-one combat with the attacker. Saif Ali Khan, what he told Mumbai Police officials was that the attacker was near Jay's room, his younger son. A panic kind of a situation took place. Everybody was scared, including the housemates as well as the servants in the house. Saif Ali Khan decided to basically overpower the attacker. A one-to-one combat took place. He was stabbed by the attacker. That is what basically loosened his grip. He has corroborated the statement of Kareena Kapoor as well, mentioned about the fact that it was possible for the attacker to take away the valuables from their residence. Why he didn't do it, that again is a big point of question. But he has said that it was possible for him. He didn't take away any valuables or cash from the residence of Saif Ali Khan. He also mentioned about the fact that it was Jay's nanny who told him about the attacker's demand of rupees 1 crore. Now, this aspect about the attacker, it was possible for him to take valuables or cash from their residence. Why didn't he do it?
If the motive, Arunil, if the motive was robbery, if it was burglary, why would the attacker enter Jay's room? And point number two, if it was only burglary, why did he have so many weapons with him? We'll come back to that aspect. We're tracking this case very, very closely. We are asking all the questions that you want us to ask. But with that, we'll take a short break, but we'll be back with more exclusive news breaks. Stay with Times Now.